What's going on, guys? Welcome back to East Freedom, and today we're going to be installing the parts on this four-wheeler that we have right here. We just got the big box in the mail, and we got the front rack for this too. So yeah, before we start the video, make sure you guys leave a like on the video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what you think of this four-wheeler. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So first off, I'm just going to do like a time lapse of us putting on the stuff in the front, and then I'll stop kind of through and show you what we've got done with it so far. So yeah. So these things can kind of be hard to get out. There are these little pop pins that go in right here, but I'm just using a flathead screwdriver to pop them out, and they're working pretty fine. So. Alright, so we got the front fender off here. I'll skip the little head a little bit. So yeah, now we're going to stick the radiator bracket on right here. We're going to stick it on. This just supports the radiator. So yeah, I'm going to time lapse that right now. Alright guys, so we're going to end this video here. So what we got done for today is front fenders on. We got this plastic piece on right here. So you can see it's really nice right now. And we got the old fender right here. As you can see, it was really beat up. So, yeah. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next flipping video. Bye!